Welcome to my channel, Kingldnldntm. In this video, guys, we are just admiring the wonderful creation that is nature, the vastness of the beauty, and how magnificent it is. Flowers blossoming, beautiful blue sky, the sun setting, flowers blossoming, the sweet smell of honey, and just admiring how magnificent and beautiful nature is. It's amazing. And just being out there and just feeling so relaxed, how it makes your mind, just feel so content that you're out there and you're one with it. You're relaxing, your mind is centered, and nothing else is clouding your mind, that you're so relaxed that you're out there. It's good to just be outside in nature and just to relax and hearing the sound of water rising from a fountain. It's just it's so peaceful, it's serenity, it's, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful how it makes you feel internally, and your external emotion, how you feel within, so calm and relaxed. It's beautiful. Yes, indeed it is. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video. God bless you and your family. Kingldnldntm. Blessings, guys. Peace, love, and harmony. Love and light. Yes. Welcome to my channel. Good morning, everyone. King LDN. Yes. Enjoying life. Being outside. Thanks. Being one. Peace. Love. And harmony. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. Feels good. Walking, talking, and living in that moment, living in faith, walking out, stepping out in faith, taking action. You want to hear more, guys? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kingldnldntm. God bless you and your family. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Kingldnldntm. Outside, one with nature. Yes, it feels so beautiful to be out here. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice, relax, peace, inner peace. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kingldnldntm. So much more to come. Check me out, guys, on YouTube and also Instagram. Same name, Kingldnldntm. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Affirmations. Leap of faith. All things through Christ are possible. Believe, believe, believe. sometimes it's good to just silence the mind and just relax.